Investment experts are bullish on ITC's new value driver. The global brokerage firm CLSA sees ITC's FMCG business as its new value driver and estimates EBITDA margin of for FMCG of growth of at 30% CAGR for the next 3 years. JM Financial Services believes ITC still has a $22 billion addressable opportunity which is much larger than the size of markets of its peers. IT's share have lost 30% of its value since the beginning of this year. Let's see in detail. The share of ITC, a tobacco and FMCG major, have been underperforming the market for a while now, raising concerns for its shareholders, and this COVID-19 pandemic has only added to the pressure. ITC's share price has fallen over 30% since the beginning of this year, giving the drag from its mainstay cigarette business that was hit hard during the lockdown. The 110-year-old ITC earning 59% of its revenue from non-tobacco businesses, according to financial year 20 results. Comparatively, even its peers in the FMCG space have held their ground. Both HUL and Britannia share are now almost back to the pre-COVID levels. HUL has gained over 13%, whereas Britannia is up to over 24% for the year. However, despite this weakness, investment experts are still betting on its potential hurt. They believe that the FMCG business will be the new value driver, so much so that ITC may surpass its peers in the near future. In fact, JM Financial Services believes that ITC still has a $22 billion addressable opportunity which is much larger than HUL's size of markets and over 3 times that of Nestle India. The report highlighted that ITC's FMCG segment is one of the most underappreciated business in the Indian consumer space currently, but by financial year 30, ITC could clock an FMCG EBITDA much higher than the combined financial year 20 EBITDA of its peers Tata Consumer, Nestle India and Britannia. ITC as a new value driver. The global brokerage firm CLSA states that ITC's FMCG segment is set to become a major value driver, with the company's legacy cigarette business providing the cash to meet its ambitious goals. It recently upgraded the stock from outperform to buy with a target of Rs 220. CLSA believes that ITC's strategy to build capabilities and revenue in the FMCG space is move in the right direction and put their FMCG business on a clear path to profitability. CLSA estimates the EBITDA margin for FMCG to grow at 30% CAGR for next 3 years. Though ITC as a stock does not cut it for founder and chief investment officer of the Marcellus Investment Managers, he is bullish about growth in its FMCG segment. Earlier in August this year, in an exclusive chat with the Business Insider said, in a sense, revenue was the company which can do 2 things well and ITC can does figure very well. In recent interview with CNBC TV 18, ITC chairman Sanjeev Puri said he was surprised by the underperformance in the stock and is taking measures to create shareholders value. On the FMCG business, Puri added that margin expansion will sustain and that FMCG growth will be industry leading. ITC's cigarette business took a massive hit during the pandemic due to the partial reopening of the economy earlier this year. The company saw some revival on the back of pent-up demand in the June. However, since then, the cigarette sale for ITC have fallen every month by 5 to 6% according to B&K Securities. Apart from the COVID, there is also an overhang with environmental, social and cooperative governance, the theme investment that may become a headwind for tobacco companies. Everyone believes the gradual lifting of lockdown is most states open up of bars in some states and more attendance in offices due to lesser fears from COVID-19 will lead to the marginal smokers slowly come back. The shares of ITC have been in a downward trend since July 2017 and currently technical indicators also suggested a bearish movement. However, most analysts remain bullish on the company and have been for a while now. According to Bloomberg data, 30 of 39 analysts have a buy call. The bulls backing for ITC believe that the stock remains attractive at this low valuation. So, hope ITC will be in bullish in short term. Thank you. Have a nice day.